Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Tenderleaf Toys is probably one of the most enchanting and thoughtfully crafted collections of wooden playthings available today, designed to spark endless creativity and foster developmental growth in children through sustainable materials and charming, intricate designs that truly stand out in a world often dominated by plastic, offering a timeless appeal that parents and kids alike will adore for years to come. Number 5. Toddler Wooden Racetrack Car Ramp Racer. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free wood and non-toxic paints, this toy meets the highest safety standards. Its vehicles are rigorously tested, ensuring no small parts detach, making it safe for even the youngest children. Watch as 4 vibrant racers zoom down its colorful tracks from a unique top parking lot, enhancing visual tracking. When playtime ends, little ones can easily store the cars themselves, fostering a sense of organization and preventing loss. This compact and sturdy toy, weighing about 2 pounds, arrives in a durable box with minimal assembly. It's ideal for indoor or outdoor play, making it a fantastic birthday or festival gift for 1 to 2-year-olds. More than just a toy, it's a tool for growth. It encourages hand-eye coordination, attention span, and even social skills as children learn to cooperate and share. They will love exploring dexterity and repetition with this engaging gift. Specifically designed for 1 to 2-year-olds, its ramp width ensures single-car play, preventing jams and enhancing safety. Their safety and your satisfaction are our top priorities with this unique wooden car ramp. What we like? This wooden racetrack is crafted from high-quality, non-toxic wood, ensuring maximum safety for your little one. Its unique design includes a top parking lot for easy car collection, teaching early organization skills. If you are looking for a durable, safe, and age-appropriate toy that fosters early development for a 1 to 2-year-old, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as the source JSON was empty. Number 4. Tenderleaf Toys Forest Table and Chairs Set. Discover a charming addition to your child's play space. This delightful set is perfect for various activities, from art to games. This set includes a stylish table and 2 themed plywood chairs. Its appealing colors and adorable rabbit and bear designs will seamlessly complement your home decor. The table features a clever hidden compartment, ideal for crayons and small treasures. Its central chalkboard panel also encourages imaginative drawing and helps foster organizational skills. Designed with your child's well-being in mind, all corners and legs are rounded for safety. Enjoy countless hours of reading, puzzles, and crafts with them, worry-free. Crafted from highly renewable rubber tree wood, this is an eco-conscious choice. It's chemical-free and adorned with non-toxic, water-based paint, ensuring a safe environment for your little one. Designed in Great Britain and made in Indonesia, this product prioritizes quality and safety. Every piece is created with your child's development and well-being at heart. What we like? This beautiful set offers a stylish and functional space for your child's activities. It features a hidden compartment and a chalkboard panel, perfect for creative play and organization. If you like modern, child-friendly furniture that encourages creativity and keeps things tidy, this set is ideal for your home. What people say. Tenderleaf toys are crafted with high-quality, durable wood. The designs of Tenderleaf toys are imaginative and encourage creative play. Tenderleaf toys feature non-toxic paints and sustainable wood sources. Number 3. Tenderleaf Toys, Touchy-Feely Animals. This engaging toy encourages children to explore and learn. Each animal offers a unique tactile experience, inviting little hands to discover new textures. Its large, easy-to-grip pieces are perfect for developing fine motor skills. They also help with identifying shapes, colors, and textures. This 5-piece set allows children to lift each shape and feel the distinct textures underneath. It's a wonderful way to encourage language development and tactile exploration. Crafted from highly renewable rubber tree wood, it's an eco-friendly choice for your little one. This chemical-free toy ensures safe play, with a commitment to replanting for every tree used. Designed in Great Britain, this product prioritizes quality and safety. It's made with your child's well-being and education in mind, ensuring only the best for them. What we like? This engaging puzzle is designed to stimulate your child's senses with various textures and shapes. Its large pieces are perfect for developing gripping skills and dexterity in little hands. If you are looking for a toy that encourages sensory exploration, language development, and fine motor skills, this touch and feel set is a wonderful option. What people say. Number 2. Tenderleaf Farmyard Animals. This adorable set isn't just for fun, it also brightens any room. When playtime ends, they can store these charming figures neatly on the included shelf, keeping everything tidy. Let their imagination run wild with these delightful farm friends. Crafted from durable wood, this classic yet contemporary play set offers endless hours of screen-free enjoyment. Unlike flimsy plastic, it's built to last for years of adventures. Both girls and boys will adore playing with these sturdy figures. Perfectly sized for small hands, these barnyard friends are easy to take anywhere. Slip them into a purse or diaper bag for entertainment on the go. They will keep kids busy and engaged for hours, no matter where your adventures lead. Crafted from eco-friendly, chemical-free materials, these toys are painted with non-toxic finishes. Made from renewable rubber tree wood, every tree used is replanted, ensuring a sustainable future. They meet all safety standards, giving you peace of mind. These premium toys are designed to foster a natural playing environment. Crafted with expertise, they bring the joy of wooden toys back to families. Each piece is made with both safety and educational development in mind. What we like. This charming collection of farm animals is perfect for sparking imaginative play and storytelling. It comes with a display shelf, making it a lovely decorative piece when not in use. If you like classic toys that encourage creative roleplay and also serve as cute nursery decor, this set is a fantastic choice. What people say. Number 1. Tenderleaf Toys Wild Pines Train Set. Discover a stunning wooden lumberjack-style toy train set designed for ages 3 and up. It offers precision and authentic detail, creating a lifelike experience for your little ones. This 30-piece track allows for creative layouts and endless storytelling. It's crafted to teach and inspire toddlers and kids of every age. It promotes cognitive skills, hand-eye coordination, and fine motor development. This set encourages imaginative storytelling and creative play as children build their own adventures. Let their imaginations run wild as they embark on exciting train journeys and explore nature through play. With its versatile and interactive design, it offers endless possibilities for entertainment. All our products are made with the development of children's skills and the replenishment of rubberwood forests at heart. Crafted from highly renewable rubber tree wood and painted with non-toxic water-based stain, they are eco-friendly and safe. This product has been awarded the ICTI Ethical Toy Program Seal of Approval. It's dreamt up by our British designer and brought to life by our good friends in Indonesia, ensuring dependable employment and quality. What we like. This extensive 30-piece train set allows for endless creative track layouts and imaginative storytelling. It promotes cognitive skills and hand-eye coordination as children build their own adventures. If you have a child who loves building, creating, and embarking on exciting journeys, this versatile train set will provide hours of engaging fun. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.